Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we are going to see how to make a spicy Goan kingfish curry that is both easy and absolutely delicious. And friends, this Goan fish curry is not just packed with flavors but also easy to make at home provided you have the required ingredients. So let's dive into this delicious Goan fish curry recipe. So for my Goan fish curry recipe, I'll be using 4 pieces of kingfish steaks, popularly known as Surmai in India, but you may use mackerel or pomfret fish also. And now I'm going to season the fish pieces with some salt as per taste and a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder. We'll rub the salt and turmeric powder well on both the sides of the fish pieces. And we will let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. And now we shall proceed to the most important step, which is the Goan fish curry masala or paste. For that, we'll take a mixer grinder jar and into it goes 1 cup of grated fresh coconut. Next, I'll be adding 5 to 6 dry Kashmiri red chilies, but traditionally Goan chilies like Eldona and button chilies are used, but since Kashmiri red chilies are easily available and are mild spicy, so I am using them. And now we'll add some whole spices like a teaspoon of coriander seeds or sabut dhania, half teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, and 7 to 8 peppercorns or kali mirch. For added flavors, I will add 3 garlic pods, 1 inch of ginger cut into smaller portions, and half of an onion which I will roughly slice in this way. Next, into this we will add another important ingredient, which is tamarind water, around 1 tablespoon. So I had soaked 2 to 3 bowls of tamarind in hot water for half an hour. Then goes 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now into this we will add some water and grind this into a very smooth paste. Let's check this now. You can see this lovely bright color. So our spicy and aromatic paste or masala is ready, and now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, I will heat a pan and into it I will add just a teaspoon of mustard oil. Now generally in Goan fish curry they don't fry the fish, but I will slightly saute the fish for a few seconds from both these sides, otherwise my daughter will not have it if I add the fish raw in the curry. Keeping the flame on medium, we will add the fish pieces seasoned with salt and turmeric powder. And after a few seconds, I'm going to flip them one by one. So you can see the fish pieces are just lightly pan-seared. And now I'm going to take the fish pieces out and keep this aside in a plate. And now in the same pan, without adding any oil, we will add the masala paste which we had prepared earlier. I'll add some water from the mixer grinder to form a curry-like consistency. We'll stir this well for a few seconds. And now we will reduce the flame to low and cover and let the curry cook for 8 to 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, we will check the curry. And as you can see, the curry has thickened slightly and the consistency and the texture looks good. At this stage, we will add the fish pieces one by one. We will gently splash the curry over the fish pieces. And now again we need to cover and let the fish simmer in the curry for another 5 to 6 minutes. But remember not to overcook them. It's almost 5 minutes. Let's check the curry now. The consistency of the curry looks good and the fish is also well cooked by now. I'll add a little bit of salt as I found the proportion slightly less. And now into this I will add 2 pieces of Kokum, which will add the required tangy kick to our Goan fish curry, as well as 2 slitted green chilies. And now we will let them simmer for another 2 minutes. And later we can discard the Kokum as we don't want the curry to be very sour. And friends, our Goan fish curry is now ready to be served and enjoyed with some hot steamed rice. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious Goan fish curry recipe. And if you enjoyed my today's video, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing and interesting recipes coming your way. And do check out my other cooking videos for more delicious recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.